Okay, I see that we have gone absolutely nowhere. Like, I was low-key joking about the Maya effect this morning, but I'm starting to feel a little bit personally attacked by it. Not even going to lie, I am literally feeling low-key personally attacked by this. But whatever, I guess. Ayo Veda, how you doing? Can I get the llama saying hi? The llama. The llama? It is the donkey, but you can. You definitely can. Are you guys ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Good morning! I hope y'all are amazing! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good night. Oh, what's up, Atlanta? How you doing? It is good evening. You guys are actually not going to believe this. I don't actually think I believe it. For the first time in a very long time, I had a nap. I feel low-key uncomfortable with myself. I don't know when last I had a nap. It's very weird. Donkey. Do you really think it was a llama? To be fair, do you know what? You were not the first person. Do you know how many people have said that it's a llama? I'm like, that. Look at the ears. Wait a second, wait.
Hi! Hi!
No?
Good morning!
There,
Hi!
shoot.
Hi!
I wanted to try and pause it on the ears. I was gonna annoy you guys with that hi thing. You're the main one telling me about rest on the weekend, and look at you. I know. Because I never rest. And then I was actually watching anime, and then I nearly like dropped my phone because I watch anime on my phone. And then I nearly dropped my phone and I was like, oh damn, I'm about to fall asleep. This is weird for me. I gave myself today to just chill. I'll start being more a, you know, a productive member of society tomorrow. Today is not that day. Do you see how I listen? I got my water. I've got my water as well. Y'all can't say I do not listen to you. Everyone was like, you have to stay hydrated, da 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 da. Which, valid, you are not wrong. Hi, sweetie. Valid, you are not wrong. You know, I would say, oh, let me draw out things, but I feel like there ain't. These just go smaller. Thank you. I feel like there's not much to draw out right now. I mean, we could check out. Yeah, like London High and London Low were taken. Check out it kind of bounced off that 50% of this giant wick again. Interesting. Wonder if it's gonna start respecting this massive wick. It was actually Solly that pointed that out to me the one day, saying, check how it respects 50% of these wicks. So I'm just drawing it because this is more curiosity for my sake than anything else, so please don't mind me. I'm just drawing these lines to see what the market does at those levels. But anyways, point is London High and London Low, yeah, have theoretically been taken already. I am just gonna mark out these two levels though. Not gonna even give it a name. I'm just gonna give it a solid white line. Just as some points of interest, as some buy and some sell side liquidity. Same goes for this one up here. Okay. So that's everything marked off. We'll do a top to bottom analysis again, but I mean, it's not like we've moved very far. Hey, Green Globe Explorations! Okay, now I can play it again.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Jackie, what's up? Visits Spain, so you get used to naps, a.k.a. siestas. To be fair, you know, I have gone to Italy. I know Spain's obviously a little bit different, but even Italy, what was the thing? Middle of the day, you chill. And I was like, that's weird. But I guess it's good for you. Shaki, what's up? Monkfish? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Just don't answer, then sound. Do I want to know, Monkfish? What's up? No, nothing. Cool. Anyways, so like I said, let's do a quick top to bottom analysis again, except like I said, this thing has literally low-key been going sideways and very rangy and very ugly. I'm really hoping that we get something maybe a little bit later. Maybe when New York actually opens, we get some decent movement. 960, but I've been waiting for all of London. And did it end up being a whoop whoop to tag you out? Surya, what? Are you good? Check you out 962. I'm currently in Africa. Could you please help me purchase a funded account? I'm also in Africa. What's your point? You can get funded accounts, but where in Africa are you at? I'm in South Africa. How you doing? Wait, but seriously, Shaki, was it closed at 2.6? Whoop whoop. Okay, Shaki gets a whoop whoop then. Did you just leave it alone? Hey, OTT, what's up? How you doing? XAU USD, sorry, I don't trade that. I apologize, Praveen. How's it going? Hey, Ariel, how you doing? There is no income in Ethiopia. Okay. Parveen, you are welcome. Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry that I couldn't help. I did actually ask earlier. There was someone here asking earlier with regards to XAU USD, but XAU USD is gold, BTW Maya just CFDs. Thanks, OTT. How does it look? How is gold looking then? Hey, Tayyib the failure. Good grief, are you good? Are you okay? That's a rough name, but hi.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What are we thinking today, guys? And seriously, I saw something about the Maya effect, which is rude. Oh right, I said the Maya effect. But right now it's feeling low-key valid. Okay, let's do a quick one again, but not much has happened. So daily, literally not much has happened. Uh, 4 hour. Maybe we go down to what's this, 883? A little bit higher. Let's give ourselves, okay, 885. Retest into this. It is slowly going down, even on the 4 hour, as I say that I can see on ES that it's starting to pump again. Never mind, ignore me. 1 hour. Solly, what up? And hi, live. Low-key leaning bearish today. Also got a nice W after I liked both streams. Of course, I like, of course. I can't believe you managed to trade this though. Yeah, that's good. Respect the people question. Sorry, are you good? I don't understand what's happening. What's up? Tabe, how am I? I'm good. I'm good. Having a look at them shitty charts. This yummy sideways movement right now. Let's see what we get, guys. 15 minutes. It is slowly going bearish. There's no scheduled being the keyword, no scheduled news today. Again, there's a keyword there. Doesn't stop things happening. Not a bad rejection off of there. Okay. Mr. Johnny, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? For anyone that's new, hi, I am Maya. I am indeed from South Africa, born and bred. Well, I am half Portuguese, but, you know, again, born and bred in South Africa. Patience, we got 5 more minutes. Is it good to short SQQQ? No idea. This morning has been a big nothing. Literally. Great, can I get your social handles? I mean, everything, if you want to find me, is just Teach Maya Trading. It's pretty easy. Born and bred. Was I saying born and bred? Born and bred. JMK, you look like a hobo. Oh, thank heavens. I was aiming for that. Whew. Guys, I'm then living up to my standards. What's your WhatsApp or Telegram? Absolutely not, but you can check me out on Instagrizzle. Yes, I just said Instagrizzle. I do also have a Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, more than welcome to. Louis! So guys, I'm not too sure. Louis, what app do you use for the music? But Louis apparently ran my voice through an app, and it's what the AI thought my voice would sound like if I sung. Apparently, it's giving Avril Lavigne vibes. Yeah, but like a pretty pot over. Thanks. The Grizzly just keeps proving she's an auntie.
Emotional damage.
Rude. Anyways, ooh, we have a minute. Right, like we have 30 seconds to go. Auntie, you know what? I guess so, because no, wait a second. I don't like that OTT and Solly are teaming up on me. Avril Lavigne was my crush, don't ruin that for me. Avril Lavigne is older than me, Solly. Just saying.
Okay, let's go.
Not the fluff one. Okay, so that one did not do what I thought it would. That's fine. Midnight rejected off of there again. Dun dun dun. Okay, well, here's opening. Let's see what we get. No, that's edging London High. Flip. If this is like just a hardcore Maya effect, I'm actually gonna be bummed. Not here for Monday and Tuesday markets are amazing. I hop back on a Wednesday. Markets give me a middle finger. Rude. Just rude. Well, here's 9:30 a.m. range. Whoopsie. Oh. She did an old school wink face. Let's go. I found all right. Let's go. Me also TP just hit, then dropped hard. Nice. Well, 9:30 a.m. range. Let's see. A little bit sticky, stuck on midnight. Yeah, I don't have much of a bias today. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. Obviously, my brain's going bearish because of all the imbalances, but that don't mean nothing recently. Oh, we're stuck on 26. That makes sense. Remember how long we were stuck on 25 for? It feels like we've kind of gotten to 26 and we're a little bit stuck here. It did that last time when we got to 25. It kind of ranged there for a bit before it broke through. Look at the song, is awesome. Very, very cool. I can tell you for a fact though that that is not what I sound like when I sing. It sounds more like death when I sing, but that's fine. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, please don't be rangy. Please don't be rangy. Please don't be rangy. Tabe, what's up? How are we doing? I do love that we're all focused now. Anyways, Ravine, you're welcome. I'm watching your lives now. Which lives? My lives? All my lives? There's a lot of lives. Which in particular? Which one in particular? Are you talking about like the vlog I did? Okay, let's see now. 9:33. Okay, come on. Give us something to work with, NQ. Give us something to work with. This is about to be the 5-minute range. Still respecting 50% of that freaking wick. That guy's talking. Hey, Steve! What's up? How you doing, Steve? Hey, watching live from outside. Oh! If I go missing, you guys know. Just saying. Just putting it out there. Wow. Okie dokie then, this is now the 5-minute candle. Oh, this is giving me sideways vibes, which makes me sad. Do I know about A.B. de Villiers? Yeah. What about him? Him? Am I doing any good? I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm a little bit bummed that this Maya effect seems to be a real thing. Feels like a personal attack, but whatever. Anyways, do I trade ETH or Bitcoin? I do not, sorry, but I do know a few people that do look at it. Shit, I know some guy just life has been happening to a lot of people this year, guys. 2026 has been rough. All I can say is check on your friends. Seriously, if you haven't heard from your friends in a while, just check on them. There's a whole big mental health movement happening, even in the equestrian world in South Africa, because, do you know, recently, I think there's been 3 or 4... I'm gonna put this nice... self-deaths, let's say that. And yeah, so just now and then maybe check on your friends. Oh, he's your icon. I love him so much. Here's the number 17 from South Africa. Nice. My effect in real. As soon as you went live, my TP hit. Maybe we have a different Maya effect taking play. Louis, maybe that's what it is. Friends would be nice.
Emotional damage.
Ronan, I'm not gonna lie. You got me there. You actually got me there. Because relatable? Let's see. This is Steve. I was just about to say that some people don't have friends. We are all friends here. I like to think we are all friends. We get together every single day, look at chart wiggles, sometimes talk about weird and wonderful things. We are friends. Yeah, see, Ronan, you got friends. You got friends. You part of the Discord? Yes, no, maybe? If you are, seriously, pop a massage. Not a massage. A message. I just said it with weird, because I'm weird. Here we go. So we've broken up above. All the cool people are down bad this year. It seems like it's Stacey at my own positive. Wow, what the heck? That's rough. Does anyone know anything about UIP path? I'm gonna research it right now. I have no idea. Step 1, get friends. Step 2, check on this acquired friends. Listen here, OTT. Oh my gosh, I know what meme I have to find. We are better than friends. We are family. We need like a whatchamacallit, Fast and Furious quote for that one. Are we gonna get anything here? Nope. Still no first presented fair value gap. We do have a little bit of a volume imbalance there though. That's something. A little break above the 5-minute chart. Patience pays, patience pays, patience pays. I just have to remind myself about that. Here we go. The light Medi, if you don't mind, please don't spam. Also, I'll have to put you on a timeout. Hey Chris, what's up? How are we doing? I was also gonna be a little bit rude and be like, you didn't say the magic word. Pretty show. Nope, that's not it. Where do my shell go? Oh, that's gonna bug me. Okay, I'll find it later. Hey, am I good to see you back on the grind? Good day. Hey, JH, how you doing? Here we don't go. Okay, so I took out the highs. Okay, so it took out majority of the buy side liquidity. Now that it's taken it all, do you think we could dump now? Could this be the dump back down? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq flipping. What's up? Steve, am I in a long or am I shorting? I am neither right now. I'm waiting for my setup to present itself, which it has not. So I'm still low-key sitting and waiting. Sorry guys, you'll see. If there's one thing I do have, it is patience for the charts. I can sit and wait for hours for one setup. I know bugs a lot of people, but it's part of becoming profitable. You have to wait for your ideal setup. You can't just trade because you're bored. You're supposed to be bored. Trading is supposed to be boring. I'm just learning the trading game, so I'm watching these live streams. Thanks for sharing. Aww! Thanks, Jason. You're amazing. Appreciate you. To keep the failure, how much can you earn by trading? It depends. You could earn a lot, but that being said, you could also lose a lot. If you're looking to get rich quick, this ain't the thing. Trust. And $1 billion. Ronan, can you imagine if anyone is out there and they have earned that much? Just all I'm asking is just give me a little bit. I'll put it in savings. I won't touch it. I just want to live off of, you know, the oh my gosh, what's it called? This is gonna drive me mad. Oh, guys, can you tell I had a nap? My brain is like half awake. I'm half awake. Ooh, okay, so it did take out all the buy side liquidity. Are we gonna drop down now? Grab all the sell side liquidity. Is this it? Is this where we drop down? Is it happening? But retest? No, not yet. Shoot, I thought maybe this was where we started to see something. Thank you, Louis. Interest. I will just live off of the... Interesting. Come on, that was a funny joke. Just 1 milli, please. Yeah, what's the value you're looking at to get in a short? In my opinion, what's the best way to trade your own money or property trading? Oh, prop trading. In my opinion, especially for a beginner, prop trading, especially for a beginner, you gotta save your capital, right? Cushion your capital, don't be dumb. But again, that's just my own opinion. I know a lot of people do not agree with that. That was a decent rejection of the midpoint of the 5 minute. See if we keep getting it. We have yet to have a first presented just BT dubs. Is this gonna be it? Is it gonna be an itty bitty little baby one? Loki looks like it right now. Hey, United States! Ooh, we got the whole of United States here. Hi, welcome to where I make really bad lame jokes. How you doing? So what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. How goes it? Oh, gosh, I'm tell some things. Too busy. What's that? You saying this is a buy? Ooh, holy guacamole. I found the first presented. This little thing right here. Okay then. I mean, technically even that... What? Where's Geordie when you need Geordie? Geordie, Geordie, Geordie! Geordie could actually technically, there's a gap. That is the smallest thing I've ever seen. Anyways. Anywho, okay, at least we're seeing a little bit of volume. We're getting a little bit of something, something. That being said, not really. We're still in this freaking range.
That's what she said. Michael.
What does this look like on the 5-minute? Let's not forget to check the higher time frames. Ugh. Yuck. I feel like that answers that. 15-minute. Sorry, let me just block out all of the noise for a second. Oh my gosh. This chop is giving me a headache. We're going down. Like I said, I did take out all the buy side liquidity. For it to start going down would not be bad, but maybe we're just gonna sit here and mess around, but I mean, there was a little rejection off of that. Green Globe, what's up? See if you analyze 50-minute, 2-minute. There we go. Oh, sorry. Grew in a short. I still didn't have 45 minutes. 45 minutes of this chop, really? 9:48. Oh, well, it okay. Yeah, that would have been a loss. RTT, how are you doing? Ronan say I'm done for the day. Listen here, Solly, that was a solid, that's what she said. I'm not even gonna lie, that was pretty good. Whoa, yes, looks good. Wait a second. Ooh, don't like where the stop loss is on ES, but actually ES, it's not the worst. Maybe for retracement back up on ES. Interesting, very, very interesting. Dun 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 dun. One. Two. No, okay, that is two. That's not A plus either. Good grief. Ronan's. Some of those candles look like liquidity candles. Yes, yes, I'm learning the lingo. I'm a legend. Hey, Jason, we're proud of you. Do you know what? I think you deserve a whoop whoop for that, to be fair. I do declare that you get a whoop whoop for that. So Jason, you think some of these could potentially be liquidity candles, right? Sweeps. Not wrong. Not wrong. So Jason, what is your bias? Don't ask me mine, because right now I actually don't know. I don't actually have one. But what is your bias from what you are seeing? Well, I say I don't have one. My bias is low-key bearish. I do have a bit of a bearish bias, which is stupid because it has been obviously bullish the last few days, but I'm not married to my bias. Let's put it that way. I'm gonna trade what is in front of me. Jonek, what's up? How are we doing? Oh. I'm gonna have to go for a run after this. I'll wake myself up. Damn. Okay. Is anyone currently in a trade? Apart from OTT. Wait, actually a second. OTT, you're in a trade? I thought you were on holiday. I'm too new to this to have one. I'm sure I'll develop one. Oh no, Jason, you definitely will. Don't worry. Why do you have a bearish bias? Because again, guys, the main rule with everything is balance. And it's bugging me that these charts are so out of balance right now. I think that it's more to do with that. You know, the charts always want to be in balance. There is no balance currently. That's basically it. You know, it just, my brain's going, this has to retest all of the freaking imbalances to the bear side, but that's why I said I'm not married to it. That's just me getting frustrated because the market likes to be in balance and it is not balanced right now. I entered 9865 again. If I get stopped out, I'll shortly, yes. Then done for the day. Okay, but hear me out. You're on holiday, right? Huh. On ES. Ooh, that's interesting. I wonder if it's going to go back up to correct those candles on ES, which means this is going to go higher. OTT, indeed I am. So you're just casually, like, trading while on holiday. Nice. Nice, gotta respect it. Hammer? How you doing? Did you trade this morning? When you find a long period of imbalances, do you look in other areas just to regain your sanity? That's a valid question. I actually don't. If we're looking to trade now, I'll look for buy. Are you still on your old funded account? I am, Explorer. What's up? Hey, that's it. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. And Anders, hi. Prob's about to get stopped right now. You know, OTT, I'm glad it wasn't just me. I got my ass whooped by that wick up. No ways. Hammer. I actually... To be fair, I would have hit TP if this happened earlier. I took a little long there. It was the only A+ setup that was presented. This range here. Oh, well. It is what it is. We just continue. No, it didn't go all the way down. Nah. So this would not have tagged me in. How can I join my team? My team. I have a team. Guys, we have a team here. I love it. We're a team. Activated my trade and broke the stop. No. I told you, Louis. I told you what. What are you trading? Okay, out. I'm on the full margin account. Oh, okay. All right, TP it again. He's in pain. Why do I trade only futures? Why not gold? Oh, sweet and simply, I did try trade gold like 3 times. Blew my mind a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And I always said I want to get good at one asset before I started jumping around. And gold can break you. Silver can destroy you, but gold can break you. I'm just gonna sit here and wait on my setups. Patience, patience, patience. Yep. What are you doing with those 3 lines? What are you checking? Which 3 lines? Sorry. Sorry, I know there's a lot of freaking chaos going on right now. Do you want to elaborate which lines? This line? That line I'm pretty sure is done, but if you had a look earlier, this was the 50% of this huge wick. and I just thought it was really interesting how it tended to reject off of it. It looks like it's now solidly broken though, so I don't think it's valid anymore. This is the Midnight Magnet. That's that range. Which other lines? What lines? Joy of Trouble, what up? What did you think of Zen Cash? Oh, you probably told me when I let my dog out. Oh, probably, sorry. Is it because you have a better win rate on futures? Yes, I do have a better win rate. This strategy works way better on futures. Okay, let's have a quick look at gold. Let's humor. Let me humor myself a little bit. Okay, first things first, here's gold. Let's do the gold rush levels. Not bad, damn. Bro. Sorry. For those of you that don't know the bob levels, these shaded areas are the bob levels. Look at this rubbish. Bob to bob, bob to bob. Bob to bob. So I don't know if I would trade my strategy on gold or not. Let's see if this, I don't even think this is an A+ setup, but it looks like it would have done well. That would not have worked. I can tell you that one for free. Like gold is low-key a swing or a miss when it comes to my GAN box. Wouldn't have if I followed it up. Guess that would have been a win. Huh. Been a win on gold. Let's see if this is going bob to bob level now. So let's pretend. I'm gonna come back and check this. Okay. What's that? Nearly a 2-hour trade. Let's say I just made it there, so that's basically a 2-hour trade. I'm curious. This is more out of curiosity than anything else. I think we're climbing again on MNQ though, so let me go back and check. Whoopsies! Now I have caused chaos in my life. Oh no, chaos! So much chaos. Okay, never mind. Not that much. It's pushing on ES. It's not moving that much on NQ just yet. Oh, Jason, are you talking about these? My GAN box? This? You talking about this one? Yeah? Hammer, don't do gold. Click on this one. Hey, Simon, this is Nasdaq futures. It's a bunch of welding all over the place. There we go. Do you like cinnamon in your coffee? Oh, I like chai lattes. Does that count? I mean, that I'm 90% sure has cinnamon in it, so yes. No, don't try and fake out because high time frame is starting bearish trend. You can't really trade that strat on gold, and on MNQ is 50-50 right now with high probability of sweeps taking out if you don't care about ATR. Well, like I said, I'm curious. We'll go back. What should we say? Let's go back in a few minutes. Ooh, it's nearly 10 AM. Let's see what we get. I'm still sitting here waiting on an A+ setup. Look at it going bob to bob. That's nice. I don't know where I would have gotten an entry though. Let's check the 5-minute quickly. Yeah, and Lux for me. I don't know where I would have gotten an entry for this. Pity. I can smell the sugar factory. If you had the opportunity to do insider trading, would you go for it? No, that's like... How do I put this? It feels lazy. Sorry, I know that's a weird thing to say. It's like getting signals. You're not doing anything. I don't know. I don't know. I look so different in vlogs, really? How? Bad lighting? Good lighting. Maybe I look older. It might be because I look older. Hammer, it was good. It was busy. It was busy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit exhausted from the trip, but yeah, it was non-stop. Literally, I think I caught up with like 5 people in literally 48 hours. Yeah, it was a lot. Trade 896 and I drop back down after the open. Do you ever have the opportunity to work? Did you ever have the opportunity to work in a factory? What do you mean? Look, yeah, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Okay, yeah, up and away it is. I just need to get a good entry for me. Mother fluffer. So I'm saying mother fluffer because it was a nice entry on ES for me. Let's see if this goes back up. Maybe I need to just start trading MES. I have been considering it. Maybe I must just bite the bullet and just start doing it. Looks like that was your midline of the bob level down there. Hey, Daytrading, what's up? How you doing? That's cool. So cool. Hammer. Okay, now this is where you're gonna judge me. I was wearing 4 layers. Thank heavens my friends are sweetie pies and they lent me. Because I just went with 1 jersey because I'm like, it's been so hot. It'll be fine. Literally on the drive, I started to shiver and I was like, oh my gosh. And my friend was like, do you need me to bring you some warm clothes? I was like, please, please. I was wearing like 4 layers for those 2 days. And it wasn't even that cold. What was it, like 16 degrees? Just but you know, it was a bit cold and raining, I guess, but still 16 degrees is not that cold. You can cuss, YouTube won't ban you. Oh, I know, but I don't like to swear anymore on live streams because, you know, some people don't like it and that's fine. I know I can swear, but it actually kind of keeps my emotions in check to not. I'm gonna trade up to 7035. Ooh, damn. Okay, Joy. Who was the old man with you in the vlogs? The old man? Oh, the dude that was driving the truck. It was his truck. I hired someone to take the horses up. I just went with them. So he was the driver dude, he was the transport guy. You're gonna suffer this winter, it's not Durban. I know! I'm literally going to move back to Joburg in the middle of winter. Oh guys, you guys are about to see a very complaining Maya human being. No, shift. Ew. Definitely not. What the heck, man? That is disgusting. No offense. For me, that's disgusting. No. Also, don't take this the wrong way. But nan your business. Okay. Here we go. Is this gonna give me a setup? But yeah, that was boom, bob to bob. Shall we check gold quickly? Ah. Okay. Why does gold low-key look like it wants to start dropping down? That being said, Okay. Back to NQ. Sorry, that's just curiosity that gets the best of me sometimes. Sometimes like to just look and see. Cells at 08 might even take out, we'll see. I was so happy to be coming back. I was so excited to get some good trades in, have some opportunities. Because Monday and Tuesday looked amazing and I missed it because I wasn't here. And now today is doing this to me. It's rude. Manson, which place is better from your experience and in your opinion? Joburg or KZN? To be fair, they both have their ups and downs. It depends on who you are as a person. So don't get me wrong, I love the beach. I love the beach here. The humidity is a bit rough. I don't know, there's pros and cons, you know, obviously it's not so busy, so there's not as much traffic. This is KZN, right? I'm talking about KZN. It's not so busy, so not so much traffic. A lot of the times people are a little bit friendlier down here in KZN, not always, but sometimes in general, the people down here in KZN are a whole lot more friendly. I'm trying to not say mean things though. It's really difficult. Yeah. Okay, your band's been the same for a while. Is it broken? No, it has not been the same. It was at 566 earlier today. I was gonna get taken out at break even on ES. Trading fun, green times. Hey, go have fun. That's awesome. I'm sitting here waiting. Yay. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key getting a little bit of FOMO, which is bad. Bad. Don't get FOMO. But I'm low-key getting a little bit of FOMO right now. I really want to be taking a trade, but there's no opportunity for one. I know the rules, no A+, don't do it, it's not worth it. Wait for your setups, but oh my gosh. Wait a second. One-to-one art trade, but can maybe put rough. Yeah, that's one of the pros of KZN. Joburg, from what I have been told, is the business hub of Africa. And there's just more opportunities there. Maybe that's better. And you know, for me, just for me in general, like all of my friends, like my whole support system is there. And when it comes to the horses, obviously, horsey person over here, horsey side of things, it is definitely the place to be. But fun. Oh, today you're not getting FOMO, really? I think I'm just upset that I haven't been able to get a trade. Sad. I'm so sad. Has it taken you out? Wait, not yet. No, I moved my horse back up to Joburg on Monday. I'm only moving back up to Joburg in July. Or Gauteng. Yeah. So I'm going back up to that side of the world in July. I'm not... Are you guys ready for a dad joke? Are you Julying? I feel like I have to put myself in a timeout for that one, but it was too good to not do it. It was too good to not say it. Look at this. I mean, the trade on ES looks like it's working out. Nice. Obviously, it doesn't help that I didn't take it, but looks like the ES buys are going grand. I'm not in this just before I get yelled at. We'll be looking for an entry for short at around... What did I just do? At around there. Let's see how it rejects. Hey, do I care to mentor someone interested? I don't know if mentor is the right word, but I can help you with basics. That means I'm getting my milkshake soon. Yay! OTT, heck yeah! Milkshake time, milkshake time. I'm so keen. Absorption. Oh, Louis, so you still gunning for the shorts? I mean, if it breaks here, it's not the worst idea. Ooh! Okay, it would have been partial break even on ES, by the way. Relax trade in the green rock on. That's great. Do you have a community? I do! There's a Discord chat. More than welcome to join, guys. Guys, so out of curiosity, I want to make the Discord more fun. I don't know. I would like to hear your opinions. What would you guys like to see or have on a Discord? Or do you guys not really care that much? You can be honest. I'm genuinely curious. Do you see the platform that I send you on IG? I have not, sorry. Like I said, guys, I actually napped today, which was very weird, and I'm a little bit uncomfortable with myself for doing it, but I napped. Ooh, ES looks like it would have been a banger, damn. Huh, look at it go. I'm still gonna watch it because there's still obviously this fair value gap that it's tapped into and a volume imbalance up at the tippy top with those order blocks. So I'm wondering if it's gonna reject off of those on ES for a shorty short. It is potential. Your strategy of trading. Yeah. Damn, 20 bucks. It's like being hungry and someone just gives a little bite of the steak. To be fair, Louis, right now, this is gonna give me a twitch. See if it comes back down to here. Okay, but it did break that, so that's not ideal. But this now can technically move a little bit higher. Let me check the higher time frames now. Is this something to be looking at yet? Maybe not yet. Oh, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I forgot that today is Wednesday. I am so lost. Guys, I don't know what's up and what's down anymore. Literally. Well, at least I don't have hiccups, so that's... You know what? Louis, you are so correct. It is the little wins in life. I don't have hiccups. Oh, okay, well, tapped into the volume imbalance on ES. Let's see now. Possibly. Maybe. No, that's a terrible trade. Oh my gosh. Oh, give me something good, please, ES. Come on. Pretty. Oh, no rejection. I think this thing's gonna go up now. Next point of interest is around 175.25 for me currently. Will we get something? Nope. Still nothing. I'm getting sad. This is sad. 17. Oh my gosh. Nearly been at it for an hour as well. And nothing. How's the gold one looking? Let's check out the gold again. The ES would have been a banger. That would have been an awesome win on ES, just saying. But obviously... Hey! Gold would have been a partial. That's something. Okay, Perry's barking at somebody. Close, thank you. One is where it could really drop. A 211. Well, that was a win. Had to cut it short because of big play. Well, at least it was a win. Hold on, Joy. Here we go. You get a whoop whoop. Anybody who gets a green gets a whoop whoop today. Seriously, well done. Whoop whoop. Proud. Like I said, this price action low-key is making me sad. Hello. You gonna come say hi to everybody? Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's so camera shy. Look at him. Look at his face. What's wrong? Why are you so camera shy? Oh dear. Okay. This is Perry. He's the main character. I'm just here, to be fair. We all know who the main character is. It's this guy. It's this guy. He's getting brain squishes right now. Oh, good boy. He's very upset because obviously I was gone for the 2 days, so he is not leaving my side. Hey, yeah, you're not leaving my side. Good boy. Oh, okay. Little chin tickles are the way to go. Hey Santosh, what's up? How are we doing? Oh dear. Did this thing have a freak out? No, it's still working. We're good. We're good. We're good. I thought it had a freak out. Got in for sales at 080 again. It would be fair to ask you to keep an eye on our clients. Valid. Hello. Hello. You guys can't see, but he's literally resting his chin on the desk. What's up? Wait, Perry, look at me. Look here. Look here. Blink once if you think this is going up, or twice if you think it's going down. What does no blinking mean? Okay, okay, he's not blinking. I don't know what that means. Dude, you haven't blinked. You haven't even blinked once. That didn't work. I thought that would be cool, but no. He's just chilling here. Okay, guys. He's gonna take over the stream from now on. This is Perry. He's gonna start doing trading for me. Maybe we go like, this is bull, this is bear. Pick a hand. No? Are you a statue? Oh no, Perry just wants my attention. That's what it is. Hey, Coupol, what's up? Coo, I'm gonna call you Coo. What's up, Coo? Coo. That means no trade. Clearly, Joy, like literally. Have you blinked yet? I still don't think he's blinked. Blunk? That's not right. What? Oh my gosh. Bro, no ways. Sorry. The bro no ways is for this. I said I didn't like the entry. Sugar honey iced tea. No. No ways, man. It wasn't an A+. So I can't be upset about it, but I am upset about it because what the heck, look at that work out perfectly. No, 20 bucks at a time, just flatlining over here. Hey, Koo. So mine is a little bit of a mix of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of smushed together. So I guess it's a little bit different. Mother fluffer. Okay, here we go. Up we go. Okay, this starting to look a little bit better. I just mustn't let it be FOMO that's taking the wheel right now. I have 1 midpoint, 2, and my little bit of a shelf for 3. If entry was a little bit higher, I wouldn't mind seeing a little bit of a break and a retest happening here. So it broke above. Let's see if we get a bit of a retest. Wouldn't mind seeing that. Said ES just took off. Did it actually retest again? Nah, it didn't reach the 50%. Okay, let's see. Booty, you're in South Africa. I'm also in South Africa. What the? Welcome, welcome. I'm also South African. What part of SA are you from? Don't know why you'd want to leave your number, but I mean, you can join the Discord if you want. That's fine. Well, welcome to join the Discord. Guys, like I said, if you join the Discord, please just be aware of scammers. I won't send you a friend request. Perry's like, stay out of the markets. Literally. Audit, they are scammers. Who's scammers? Oh. Is Perry a scammer? Perry, what did you do? He's upset now. One break even done for the day. 5 minutes till institutions burn out and chop turns into slow burns. Okay, maybe this is a mistake, but let's see. Hey, Richie boy, what's up? How you doing? One last one, break even, done for the day. This isn't... Okay, to be fair, it's closer to a B setup. Not so much an A+, but still, let's see, let's see. Anyone that's just hopped on, what's up?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope y'all are doing amazing. Oh. Give me a second. Uh, 15. Righty then. Doesn't have to correct anywhere down there right now. Oh no, it's going back up. 15. How does this look on the 1 hour currently? Okay, we do have an imbalance still down. Which, is it gonna correct? Maybe not. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. Let's see what we got. That might be my New York time. I'm gonna get my dog some food and go for a walk. I hope you get a green trade. Enjoy. Cheers, Louie. Enjoy. Lava Turtle, what's up? Watch out for the new half-hour candle. Yep. Oh, that's awesome, Richie boy. So, tell me a little bit about yourself. Are you a trader? What's your thing? Everyone here has a different... I want to say thing. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Like a different asset that they enjoy trading, or possible different times. How long have you been trading for? You know, there's things. I do be looking better, but watch out for the half hour. So it is now officially 10:30. There's some buy side liquidity at the top there. So you've been trading since COVID, damn. Okay. Trading since COVID, that's not bad. And profitable or not yet, still figuring things out. Okay, let's see there. Oh, guys! Do you know what I haven't done? Because I'm kind of sitting and forgetting this. I have not done butterfly of the day. Give me 2 minutes. Let me go get my butterfly book. No, it's running away. It's running away without me. Man, okay. It's just going bye-bye. Man. What a pity. This low-key actually would be a really good trade. Look at this thing. Wow. I just don't know if it's going to retest that far back down. I still like it if it does go back down. I do still like this trade. Oh well, let's see. I don't know if it's going to retest this. Oh no, that's just climbing for the New York high. Sugar honey iced tea. Stop it! Okay, let's see. Did I ever trade options? No, not really. Sorry, nothing super exciting for me in that aspect. It's an A+ setup. I must leave it alone. It is an A+ setup. I must leave it alone. Hopefully it's not just edging because of New York high up there. Now it's just being rude. But either way, I must leave it alone. What's up, Fahrenheit? Can't believe you're calling me auntie. Rude. Just saying.
Emotional damage.
But whatever. Okay, let me quickly pop this back in. Do you know what we are gonna do then? Oh no. No, I say oh no. We might still be good. Okay. Which time frame? This is the 1 minute currently. Is it about to do the same freaking thing it did to me this morning? No. Maybe. Possibly. Let's see how it reacts on ES. Nah, this thing still wants to go up. Just hasn't come to tag me in yet. I'm being, can you see I'm going, no, this is this one. This is the one. Okay, well, while we wait, let's quickly do butterfly of the day. Because I can see that this is not coming to tag me in, which is making me sad. Anyways, butterfly of the day. It's a thing I do, don't judge me. I am pretty sure we've done that one before. Before. That was very... Oh, I don't want the... That one works. Let's do the pale hair tail. No, I spelled that like an idiot. So this is butterfly of the day. I know it looks pretty plain Jane, right? But on the inside, look at that purple color. And then on the outside, check, it has this little bit of orange. It's quite cool. You have to appreciate the small things when it comes to butterflies. Anyway, so a little bit of info So, pale hairtail, wingspan of 23 to 32 millimeters. It's teeny tiny. A common midday heel topper in a rocky, hilly country. Cool. So, distribution is widespread in savanna and grassland in Northern Cape, Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Free State, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest provinces. And further north. So, this is a pretty common butterfly. So, habitat is hilltops and hillsides. Flight period is year-round. Peak in warmer months. And its Latin name is Anthene Butleri levida. Levida? Levida. Ta-da! That's our butterfly of the day. I have not heard a beep, which means I have not been tagged into a trade. Let's see. Oh, well, it's still there. Is this a double top? Oh, no. Okay, well. I wasn't tagged in. Makes me sad. Kind of has a jaguar pattern. Ooh, it kind of does. You're right, Fahrenheit. It kind of does. Maybe not a double top just yet. Ugh. Well. Said this way. This right here is the plan, Sam. There's that trade. Ramiro, kind of risky. Why? Why do you say that? Apart from the double top that it's just kind of made there. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. You remind me of Beyonce. Of Beyonce? I remind you of Beyonce. Okay, don't take this the wrong way, but how? It might find resistance. Movie movements. Why is my balance at the same amount? Because I'm always risking one contract per trade. Literally. One contract per trade is not a lot. Like this one here. 38. 40. Sorry, this one's nearly $50 actually. Like I said, if this is a loss, I'm actually not upset about. I know it's weird. It's a compliment. Oh damn, okay, thanks. I'm still not profitable. That's okay. Things happen. So I'm gonna be a little bit more funny. I don't know if funny is the right word with this one. When it reaches around there, I am gonna move. I should stay hands off here. Should stay hands off. Price have to swipe liquidity first to the sell side. Are you speaking about the sell side liquidity? I still think it wants to take out that double tippy top over there. So it did go want. Has it? It has not quite gone 1-to-1R. Come on, tap into there. That's good. Oh dear. Okay. Sorry, Wi-Fi had a freak out. No, Wi-Fi now is not the time to do that. Sorry, if Wi-Fi is going to be dumb, I'm actually going to do this. So I know that's maybe a bit cheeky of me, but if Wi-Fi is going to do dumb things, I'm not about to do work. Update. Update, please. Thank you. Sorry, I'm not about to risk some stupid things because the Wi-Fi is having a meltdown. Maybe it's a little bit cheeky to move to break even. It did reach the 1-to-1 R. I am doing a little bit more risk management situation currently. So 1-to-1 R, break even, done. Let's see. Didn't quite tap into there. Might be taken out for break even, but that's okay. Either way, this is a risk-free situation. And I took it. Was A+, maybe I'm gonna kick myself for being a bit of a baby moving to break even a little bit too early, but it's fine. Rather have risk management currently than doing dumb things. Yeah, a little bit of hesitation on the order block on ES. I still want to see it take out the top at where's the 7032 on ES. Okay, tapped into the order block now. See, it might come down a little bit further, or it's gonna break up, which is awesome. And I'm not gonna be greedy. Part of my brain goes, I should be greedy and I should move my TP higher. I've learned my lesson. Don't be greedy. Take TP where you set your TP. I've done that before where I was greedy and it's not worth it. Just don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Okay, yeah, tapped into that order block. I expect a little bit of rejection here. Let's see how much of a rejection. I'm gonna move this a tiny bit. No, leave it alone. Leave it alone. Interesting. Sorry. I'm saying interesting to ES tagged into that 50% level as well. Okay, okay. Okie dokie. Come on, start going. You can do it, buddy. Tapped into a little bit of a bearish fair value gap on ES as well. A little bit of fair value gap order block situation right now, so let's see if it struggles or not. What's up, OTT? Maybe. To be fair, if I had like... Yeah, no. I'm learning, just don't be greedy. At the end of the day, don't be greedy. You know, shoulda, coulda, woulda is a thing. Like, oh, if I left something there, it could have done this. But you know, the amount of times I've left something and then it came back and I earned less than I would have if I just had a set TP and I wasn't greedy. So yeah. What's up, Brazil? How you doing? I feel like I need to move this up slightly higher. Not much, just a little bit. Lock in some more profits. Yeah. Those profits a little bit more locked in. I need it to break above now. This looks like it's making a triple top, which according to Ollie, sometimes don't actually hold up. Double tops, yes. Triple tops not so much, which is interesting. Okay, if I had two contracts going, one would have been taken at this one level. Come on, break above this resistance. You can do it, you can do it. I wanted to take out the... It does have a name. The wickless. I just call it the wickless. I wanted to take out the wickless candles on ES, which are above at... Wait, where did I say? At around 302.25 on ES. That's where I want to see it go, at least take out. Come on. If I was trading ES, by the way, this is the trade. Full TP would be at 304.50. If I was trading the ES, being the keyword there. All good, but gotta do the things you can. Repeat consistently, full TP at 2 hours, even 3 hours, perfectly fine. 100% OTT. You know, I think maybe if you have... Let's say I have like 5 contracts. Let's say I'm doing it like a for instance, right? Let's say you had 5 contracts. You took one, just for my setup. I'm talking about my setup in particular. One out here at the 1, you know, lock in some profits. And then if it does go back down to take you out at break even, you've locked in some profits, right? Majority. So 3 more go at the 2 hours. So majority is now taken. And then you leave a runner for that last one. But obviously, if you're only doing 1 or 2 contracts, just take the full TP. It's not worth it. It's not worth not taking the full TP, if that makes sense. Just from what I have come to realize. Being greedy, bad. Don't be greedy. It really is not worth it. Why is this low-key starting to look like an M formation? It's fine if it is, as long as it takes me out first. Just take me out, take me out. Come on, get rid of the wickless on ES. That's what I'm gunning for. Take them out. Come on, ES. Pew, 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 pew. I mean, this, like I said, this is a complete risk-free trade right now. Either way, it's in the green, so yay! That's cool. Obviously, it would be nice to get a full TP going. Struggling to break above. Come on, you've got this. Break through that resistance. You can do it. Just sing, I want to break free. And then we're good to go. ES is slowly climbing. Come on, NQ, follow ES's path. There we go. It's better. I'm gonna move you up a little bit more. Gotta get my cushion back. Heyo! Whoop whoop! Okay, guys. Take your A+ setups. Take your A+ setups. The one this morning did not work. It's fine, but now we have made up for it. Heck yeah, guys. Woohoo! That was actually quite nice. Check out that entry. ES entry bottom ticked. Let's see if this goes all the way to TP on ES. I'm genuinely curious. That was a banger. That was a goodie. I'm chuffed with that. I'm just saying, if I was greedy, I probably would have aimed for this New York high at 175.25. Naturally, it's going to go there now, but like I said, I'm trying my best to not be greedy. We can update the balance now. Oh, heck yeah, we're back into the 6s. Oh! Good grief, I didn't think we'd get back there. But here we go. 637. Oh yeah, see, balance is changing. Just a little bit, but it's still trailing. I'm trailing. Anyways, cool. I still, to this day, do not actually know how the heck I still have this funded going, but we are here. We are here, people. Thank you, Joy of Travel. I appreciate it. Where's everybody at? Everyone's being so quiet. Where's the whoop whoops? Where's the wins in chat? I'm gonna do a whoop whoop for me. Whoop whoop. Good grief, y'all are extra quiet today. Is everyone good? Is everyone fine? Is everyone just having a day? I get it, but just checking, just checking. Okay, see guys, that I waited. How long did I wait for that freaking trade? An hour. It took an hour for that trade to say what's up. Thank you, OTT. Richie boy, I appreciate everyone being extra quiet today. Are you guys okay? Are we all just, you know what? I think everyone's suffering from a little bit
Emotional damage.
right now, which is valid. Okay. Finally, TMT stat pulled through. Honestly, OTT. Sure. I feel like it's back. I feel like now that the markets are, I don't want to say they're back to normal because that's definitely a lie, but it feels a little bit more respectful of the things that used to respect, if that makes sense. And it seems like the TMT is back in play, which is cool. I'm not gonna complain about that. Here we go. Now this is gonna go up. This is gonna be a bob to bob. OMG, move 2 points on ES for my TP. Don't know. I'm so sorry. Whew, okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay, a win. Slowly coming out of drawdown. Slowly being the key word there, OTT. I don't know. I'm not too sure when I can start being bold with the amount of contracts I start placing again, though. Maybe a little bit more cushion, right? And then start pushing it up slightly. I mean, this was, what, $100 trade? Not bad. Risking 50. Maybe I could slowly... We can get back up to the 700s. Slowly start risking 100 again to start getting 200, right? Hey Astro, what's up? Fish Cat Zombie, what are you doing? Get to 49, then risk 100. Yeah, I agree with you, OTT. Until then, I might stick with my little one con situation. It helped me out today. One con, I lost what was it? $28 this morning, and now had a decent winner chicken dinner here. And when you get back to 50, risk normal 200. Yes, it's a bad diva today. Let's go. I'm so sorry. Okay. Whew. ES be treating me, not ES. London be third time's a charm. Oh my goodness. New York has been treating me better recently. Seriously, that took a solid 3 attempts for English to come around. Only give you hearts, not a penny in that regard. What do you mean, Astro? What do you mean? Just 4 trades and you make 100 each, so 50 risk, you'll be back to 49. Yeah, true. We're getting slowly but surely, right, OTT? I think my new thing is just gonna be one good trade at a time. That's all you can ask for. One good trade at a time and you just keep going. Oh, here we go. Up, up, up. Oh, there's that New York high. Oh, just missed it. Am I in this trade right now? Well, I'm out of it, but yeah, I had this trade. This was a winning trade, yeah. King J Green. This was a winner chicken dinner. Was in limit in down at, where's this at? 112 and TP was at 161. Thank you. Yeah. I did say if I was being greedy, which I'm trying to not be, if I was being greedy, probably my TP would have been this New York high, which you can see it did just take. If I was extra greedy, the next bob level would have been TP. So 185. Let's maybe say, yeah. No, let's say 185. Let's really be greedy. If we're gonna pretend being greedy, I would aim for 185. But again, don't be greedy. That's bad. Okay, like I said, that was a solid A+ setup and got the rewards for it, so that's cool. Oh, as long as you stick to 2 hour, you'll get a. Oh, thank you, OTT. Well, let's see, right? Literally one good trade at a time. OTT, I'm genuinely curious about where you are having holiday right now. Yeah, it's already broken the high, don't worry, King J Green. What time do I trade? I trade both London and New York Open. So London, I will just say EST time. So London, I start trading at 2:50 a.m. EST time. In South Africa, it's not that bad. It's like 10 to 9 in the morning, which is cool. And then EST time, I start trading at 9:15 a.m. for the New York Open. Hammer, I see you took a trade. I did indeed. Oh! OTT, that's not a... I guess if you're like at a fancy hotel or something, but like that's not a holiday. You need to get out. You need to go away somewhere for it to be a holiday. Like go to the bush or go to the beach or something. I did, Hannah. I took a trade. It was a winner, but not really holidays. Just spent most of it going to meetings. Never mind that. No, that's not a holiday then. That's yucky. A holiday is when you can turn off all electronics and just... I don't even know. Just chill, sleep, nap. I'm in Hyde Park, Steph. Oh, okay, no, you got a point. You have a point there. You got me there. Hyde Park be fancy. How many years of experience do you have? 1. I officially have 1 year of experience, guys. 1 year of experience. Let's do this thing. Whoop, 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 whoop. How exciting. What's your win rate? 1 to 100. Ooh, it did jump. So there was a point where it was up 65. Then it went through a really bad phase and it was at 40. I think it jumped down to like 42% win rate. It was bad. If I'm not mistaken, it's back up to around 56% win rate. Hey AJ Mal, how you doing? I feel like I butchered that. I'm just gonna call you AJ. What's up? How you doing? How goes it, AJ? So yeah, took out that high. Ooh. If I was trading on ES, it would have been a break-even trade now, so that's fine. I wanted to do something. This is what I wanted to do. This right here is what I wanted to do. If you guys do want to join, you are not that bad. Thank you. I think that felt like a compliment and an insult at the same time. You're not that bad. Like, you're bad, but you're not that bad. What 1 year? I feel like a dumbass. I've been trading for 5 years and I feel like I still need to learn more. King J Green, you never stop learning. The amazing thing about trading, right? You literally never stop learning. I love it. How are you feeling to your strat compared to Bob to Bob? OTT, it's a little bit of a complicated situation, okay? Because hear me out. Bob to Bob is hands down amazing. The only problem is, you've kind of noticed with me, I almost need a set point to put my stop loss. If I start messing around with it, that's when I do dumb things. But I mean, Bob to Bob wise, I mean, here it solidly went up Bob to Bob. This is going Bob to Bob again. I even said just now, I was like, if I was going to go Bob to Bob and be greedy, 185 would have been the TP. And there it goes. It's going back up to 185. On gold, ooh, shall we check it out on gold? That's the thing, the Bob to Bob freaking works. It was actually why I was so chuffed with this trade. Because it correlated with the Bob level. It was actually a banger. I mean, you could see how it tapped back into the Bob level and now just went up. Really, really good. What did I want to do? Oh, I wanted to go check out that gold trade. Obviously, I didn't take it. I just set it up out of curiosity. Whoop, nope. Did not work. Damn. Did not work. Would have been a partial break even for the TNT strat though, so that's something. Would have been a loser for the Bob to Bob on gold though. See, I just don't know gold as well as I know MNQ and ES. But I guess like everything, you gotta eventually start learning it. So which do you feel more comfortable with? OTT, probably the TMT one. Yeah, just because, again, you don't have to overthink it. Not like, oh, maybe I should put it here, maybe I should put it there, maybe I should put that there. Don't get me wrong, I still really love the Bob to Bob one. I still want to see if I can learn it, especially for days where it is choppy. Like, I mean, here. It was choppy, but it went Bob to Bob. Pity. Oh, love it, Hammer. Oh, thanks, King J Green. I appreciate it. We got the energy. More energy. More energy. More passion. More passion. That was a trend that went on for a while. Then how can you open it Bob to Bob with TMT? That's how you can. I know, OTT. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Like I said, this one, I think it's why I was so happy with this trade, because it used both. Does that make sense? And I even said during London that I wasn't comfortable taking a trade if it's in the Bob level, because I feel like it can very much mess around in the Bob level. Once it's out of the Bob level, I'm like, okay, now we're good. So I have been seeing how it correlates and if it works really well like that. Another example is if it's tapped into the Bob level and I was looking for a long, I kind of go, no. That's my point of interest done. I don't think it's gonna go much. Well, I mean, it could still obviously go more, but it might mess around, maybe retrace further than I want to see it retrace, you know, things like that. Is that a demo? It's a funded account, Philippa, if that's what you're asking. Real talk, I did. Oh, will ES go back down to 6,860? No idea. Who's trading ES right now? Do you think it's gonna go back down to 6,860? Like I said, I started the day with a bearish bias, but obviously you trade what you get, and I got a bullish trade, so here we are. Damn, Hammer.
Emotional damage.
Hammer Savage. I love it. Can I just say, guys, also, just putting it out there. Do you know how old I felt? OTT, I know this is gonna be like your heaven that I'm saying this right now. Do you know how old I felt driving up to Joburg? Do you know how sore my back was? Just from all of that sitting? Because we only stopped once. We stopped once. That whole... How long was that trip? 8... Oh, wait. 3:15 we arrived. What time did we arrive? Give me a second. I can tell you exactly what time we arrived. Da, 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 da. 11. Yeah. We arrived at 11. Let's say 4. 8 hours. Actually, yeah, that was a solid 8-hour trip. That wasn't actually too bad. Huh. Not bad at all. Anyways, 8 hours of sitting. Oh my gosh, my back hurt. That definitely made me feel old. I do prop firms, yes I do. War stuff going on, still no guarantee about anything. Real talk, if I may make a suggestion, maybe start with hi. Then maybe start with hi, and then go for it. Ask away. Anyways, to where? Oh, just up to Joburg. That kid, what's up? How you doing, that kid? All about funny videos. Hey, how are you? Good seeing trading again. I am. It's great. Mwah. Hey Tristan, how you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on, hope you're doing great.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
To be fair, real talk, take this as you will. If you take it the wrong way, sorry. I'm actually here more for community. There's very specific traders that this is actually for, and it's the traders that want to be supportive of one another and build each other up and be there for one another, be proud of the wins and be there for the moments of what am I doing. Emotions are a real thing, and sometimes you just feel like you're messing everything up. That is why I'm streaming. It's actually not for the views. That's why I started this. And I started this to show what a real journey looks like of trading. That it's not a quick boom, you're making millions after 1 week situation. Oh, look at that. Bad first impression. Oh, okay, bye. What a shame. Problem solved. Oh, this man, he is angry. Good grief. So angry. What a blessing. Hope you do move on and also need some distance. Oh guys, do you know what? Do you know what is amazing? And do you know what is such a banger? Sorry. All about funny videos. Do I do prop firms? I do prop firms. What's up? Oh, for the person that asked, yes, it will go down there, just not right now. Thank you, Joy of Travel. Oh no, he left actually. Don't worry, we don't care about him. Why are you angry, bro? Problem solved. It's crazy. I'm sorry. My bad. What does that mean? Oh no. Anyways. Interesting. Checky. So it took out. Hey! Looky. Winner chicken dinner with this ES trade. Okay. This one not bad either, but would I have taken this? Probably not. No, I don't think I would have taken this trade. I mean, it's working out. Bob to bob level, pretty banger. The ES trade, winner chicken dinner. What kind of trading strategy do I use? So I use kind of a combination of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of mushed together. It's very basic. It is very basic, but I guess sometimes you have to keep it simple sometimes. It worked really well, then it stopped working for what, March? Was it March? March was a disaster. March was terrible. What kind of strategy do you... Oh, sorry, I answered that, my bad. At least you told me that you get some real comments sometimes. Now I saw with my own eyes. Yeah. And then you just... Like I said, Madsen, you know, this is a place for people that want to be part of a community. If you're going to be rude, you're not the people that I want in the community. So I don't care if you're not a viewer. Maybe that sounds harsh. I apologize if that is harsh, but I want this to be a supportive community. If you are not that type of human being, then moving on. About to binge Avatar: The Last Airbender and then proceed to watch the leaked movie. Oh, I saw clips. Is it actually solidly leaked? Where are you watching it on? Send me a message. Best prop firm, I do copy trading. OTT, you might also be able to help me out on this one. I know you can copy trade up to 5 accounts using Tradeify. Violin, you actually, I think you can copy trade more. Yeah, Tradeify, you can copy trade up to 5. Shoot, I'm gonna have to double check. Hey, seriously guys, this would have been a winner. I wouldn't have taken it though. Or would I have, because it hadn't have hit the bottom? No, I wouldn't have taken it. It had just taken out that New York high. Would have won, but I wouldn't have taken this trade. TMT is so back. Yep. What makes you think that you wouldn't have taken it? So that gets, so sweet and simply, so two things. So there was the, where was it? It was here. There was the New York high over here, yeah, at 175. So it took out some buy side liquidity, which sometimes you can get a solid reversal from. Secondly, I need 3 or more confluences for between my stop loss. I have a fair value gap. I kind of have the shelf slash pivot point, if you will. So I guess that's 2. That's it. I only have 2 confluences. For me, an A setup has 3 confluences. 3 or more confluences is an A setup. The only thing that was kind of going for this trade was the fact that it hadn't tapped into the bob level yet. My goal was the bob level. Is a 15-year-old stuck in a losing trade and wants to confirm his bad decision and keep losing trade running. There we go. What I've realized with my strat is much better on trending days, and we was in insane range before. So yeah, exactly. Oh. Wow. Sorry. I don't have light bulbs, but you know, like when a light bulb just kind of goes, so I'm using the fireworks as a bit of a light bulb moment. OTT, that makes so much sense. So much sense. Sense. Yes, I'm saying that like a normal human being. Cool. That makes a lot of sense. We were stuck in basically a bit of a March range. That makes me feel a little bit better, actually. Yeah, Dung Diva just joy of travel, whoop whoop. Sorry, I'll do a whoop whoop for you as well. There we go, whoop whoop. You have been waiting for it to hit your TP, so whoop whoop, well done, Joy. Proud of you. No, there we go. Negativity never gets anyone out anyway. Exactly, silver looks like easy buy setup. Do you trade? I do not trade silver. Silver's scary. Not gonna lie, silver's scary. I'll send the website because oh my gosh, I watched like 5 minutes and it's just oh, okay, no, you have to OTT now. Now you best believe I'm gonna be watching it. Yes, trader pass 5. Cool. I'm currently using Unicity Capital and I'm using 2. Maveen and well, I don't even know those two. Sorry, all about funny videos. But with a trade copy, like you can have up to 20 accounts. Oh, dang. Okay. I got to go work, but I wish I could stay and watch. How often do you live stream? Was it just whenever you? Oh no, that kid! I am here every single day, twice a day, for both London and New York sessions. So don't worry, I am here every single day. Well, I wasn't here yesterday and Monday, but that was not my fault. And I did give a heads up that I was not here. And I vlogged while I was not here. Attempted to vlog. I don't know if I did a good job doing it, but anyways. Let's see what's more in London session. Cheers, Joy of Travel. Well done, hey? Well done. Do you like Avatar? Yes. Which one? Because I like both of them. I like Avatar: The Last Airbender and I like Avatar the movies. That movie franchise. Both are bangers. Both are bangers. Heyo. Sorry, there we go, sorting it out. Thanks, OTT, I see you sent it to me already. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I've only seen the one movie. I like staked them. Hammer, I'm gonna take a minute from you, from dealing with you. Okay, no, I'm kidding. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. We don't count yesterday, but that's great, and I took care of advice from my last stream. I started recording a lot more footage, and I got a lot more comfortable with the camera. Ooh, nice, that kid. Okay, that's good. I found my shell. Anyways, I gotta go now. Your channel is doing great. You're great YouTube. Aww, that kid, you are so sweet. You're amazing. Shout out to you. You are awesome sauce. Yeah, guys. Looks like we're back. Back here again. TMT is back. Whoop whoop. Let's see what tomorrow then brings. I didn't actually see if it was working, would have been working for the rest of the days. Does that make sense? Monday and Tuesday. I didn't actually see if my strategy would have worked there. I'm assuming it would have. I see Wi-Fi is being a little bit silly as well right now. To be fair, I think I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna call it on a high. We are in the green. We gotta just keep the slow grind up. How I still have this funded, I do not know. I do not know, but we are here and we're doing this. Hey Wade, what's up? I was just about to hop off, but I gotta say hi to you. How you doing? How's it been going? I did indeed have a little whoop whoop, so I'm chuffed. I had a little loss this morning, but a nice win. I mean, a 2.05R win today, which is cool. I'll see you tomorrow for a bit going for on a Thursday. Emma, you're mixing up your days. Friday is supposed to be Friday. Why? Friday is Friday. Oh, I like that. Why are you going for a bri on a Thursday? Why are we going for bris on Thursdays? I feel like that is definitely a Friday situation. I haven't announced a few days, but happy that. Oh, why? What happened? Wait. Every day is Friday. What? Every day is Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, that should be the South African anthem. Noontime is a good time for a bright. My bad. Oh, okay. I've just offended a lot of South Africans. And I am a South African. Again, though, guys, you guys are going to be disappointed. We're going to have to organize a bri when I get back up to that side of the world. I have not had a bri in over a year. That is disgusting. I can't call myself a South African anymore. I have not had a bri in over a year. Ooh! On that note, I feel like I have to go and put myself in a timeout. But just a stressful time for me, a lot on my mind right now. I hear that. Wait, I hear that. Okay. Cease to think that long about a bri day is bad. That is ridiculous. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. We're gonna have to correct the situation, okay? What do you have against bris? I have nothing against bris. It's just effort, I guess. And cooking, and enough said. Okay, I will be better. I'll organize a bri for like this weekend, okay? Okay, and then I'm gonna call it there. In the green, guys. We're in the green. Whoop whoop. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going. TMT bride party. Heck yeah. Ain't no party like a TMT bride party. I love you guys madly. I'm done for the day. That was awesome. That was such a banner. Let's see if we can keep this momentum up. Let's see if we can get... Yeah, see if we can get a payout. Them's the goals. I love you guys madly. Trade safe if you're still trading this. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow, both London and New York. Yeah, don't forget to press the like button, and if you want discounts, you can use my code. Don't forget the Tradeify special ends on the 30th. Okay, don't forget. Yeah, Tradeify special ends on the 30th. It's 40% discounts, one-time payment. It's not a monthly payment. It's a once-off. Okay, just saying. Get on that. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.